Join me as I challenge myself to set up my office chair in just 20 minutes. Let's see if I can do it. Setting up your office chair properly can make a huge difference in your comfort and productivity, and the best part is, it can be done in no time. People often struggle with their office chairs, experiencing discomfort, poor posture, and lack of adjustability, all of which can lead to decreased productivity. Discomfort can be a major distraction, making it difficult to focus on your work. Poor posture can lead to back and neck pain, which can be debilitating. Many office chairs come with features that are not adjustable, making it difficult to find a comfortable position. Lack of adjustability is a common issue, with many chairs not allowing for customization to fit individual needs. This can lead to a range of problems, from minor annoyances to serious health issues. Chair height, armrest position, and lumbar support are just a few things that can make or break your seating experience. The consequences of not having a properly set up office chair can be severe, ranging from physical pain to decreased job satisfaction. Spending long hours in an uncomfortable chair can lead to fatigue, decreased motivation, and reduced overall well-being. It's essential to take the time to adjust your chair to fit your body, rather than trying to adapt to a poorly designed chair. When it comes to adjusting your office chair, there are several key features to focus on, including seat height, lumbar support, armrest height, and tilt tension. Seat height is crucial, as it determines the position of your legs and feet. Lumbar support is also vital, as it helps maintain the natural curve of your lower back. Armrest height and tilt tension are also important, as they affect the position of your arms and the overall comfort of your chair. Adjusting the armrests is often overlooked, but it's essential for reducing strain on your shoulders and neck. Tilt tension is also critical, as it allows you to adjust the chair to your desired level of firmness. By adjusting these features, you can create a customized seating experience that meets your unique needs. The key is to experiment with different settings until you find a position that feels comfortable and supportive. To adjust each feature, start by sitting in the chair and feeling for any areas of discomfort. From there, make adjustments to the seat height, lumbar support, armrest height, and tilt tension until you find a position that feels comfortable and supportive. It's all about finding the right balance and making adjustments as needed. Pay attention to how your body feels, and don't be afraid to experiment with different settings. By following these steps, you can create a comfortable and supportive seating experience that enhances your productivity and overall well-being. Take the time to adjust your chair, and you'll be amazed at the difference it can make. A properly set up office chair is essential for anyone who spends long hours sitting, and it's worth taking the time to get it right. Setting up your office chair properly can make a huge difference in your comfort and productivity, and it's worth taking the time to get it right. A well-adjusted chair can lead to better health, increased productivity, and a more positive work experience. If you've struggled with your office chair in the past, I'd love to hear about your experiences in the comments below. Be sure to subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks, and check out my next video on home office setup ideas for more inspiration on creating a comfortable and productive workspace, to back and neck pain, which can be debilitating. Many office chairs come with features that are not adjustable, making it difficult to find a comfortable position. Lack of adjustability is a common issue, with many chairs not allowing for customization to fit individual needs. This can lead to a range of problems, from minor annoyances to serious health issues. Chair height, armrest position.
Thank you for watching this video at eQuality Pro. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to my channel.